conscience will be. Cause if you heard anything, you didn't hear it from me. I'm sweeping up the seconds that tick off the clock, saving them for later when I'm too ticked to talk. And I need some time to search my mind, to locate the words that seem so hard to find. Cause sometimes I say things that I wish that I could take back. The most crucial thing I lack is a thing called tact. And if you're always so intently listening, then the smartest thing to say is to tell myself not to say a thing. Yeah, I gotta keep quiet, quiet.